All right. Hello, everyone. This is Reginald Lyerly, and I've been in the insurance profession since 2021. And I wanted to do this live stream today to talk to you about the importance of why you should get life insurance. My YouTube channel is Keeping North Carolina Families Covered, and I am a licensed agent in North and South Carolina. Want to talk to you briefly about why getting life insurance coverage is very important because you have to be able to take care of your loved ones at the time when they need it the most. So, we're going to look at this. Listen, life insurance is designed to leave a living legacy and give peace of mind to the people who need it. So, we're just going to go over six things that maybe perhaps that you haven't thought about that will help you in terms of being able to make that decision to protect your loved ones. First thing is guaranteed protection. If you have a family or a business that depends on you, you want to have that protection. A lot of people use life insurance for income creation or income preservation. Think about it. If you're the breadwinner and something happens to you and your family is dependent on you, having that coverage is vitally important for them to be able to try to financially continue their lives without you. Of course, any loss is definitely rough. But guaranteed protection is good because most insurance coverages come with some type of death benefit that's usually paid in some type of lump sum payment, and that is why it is very important. I'm just referring to my notes here so I don't leave anything out to you. Second thing is income replacement. This is why this is very important. There are very important things that happen in life that still happen even when a loved one decedes you, and that comes like paying mortgages, child care, covering tuition, eliminating household debt, preserving a family business, student loans. There are a lot of things that continue to happen in people's lives even when you lose a loved one. And so that income replacement is so vitally important. The thing that is usually the most attractive about life insurance is that it has a tax free death benefit. So when something is tied to a life insurance policy, your beneficiary, whoever is named, in most cases, will get every penny that uh, that you leave them, unless there's some other things going on, and that's why usually most life insurance policies are tax free. So this is a good way to take care of loved ones. Hopefully, more people would do this. I wish more people would, but I feel like more people, if they had more information about how powerful this tool is, we would have more people who would get it. And also, the type of insurance is also very important, but we could talk about that at another time. Guaranteed cash value growth, and I think that's very important, especially if you get a whole life policy that actually accrues cash value. That's very important because there are times when, and we always know, sometimes the money gets short, the math isn't always mathing, and sometimes we need a little help to get us through a serious hump. But think about it: a guaranteed cash value can help in us a number meet a number of goals, like to supplement retirement income, the fund a child's education, help pay off a mortgage, in order to be able to protect what you already have, or to just to set up an established or emergency fund in case there's issues that come up and you have something immediately available to take care of. Dividend potential is also a very important feature, and it's one of the benefits that some life insurance policies have, and some come with dividends. But that's going to be a different topic for a different time. And a lot of times, when those dividends, you can take them in cash. Sometimes you'll be able to buy more insurance or to be able to invest. It just depends on what type of products that you get. You see, there's so many different things that can be done with insurance, and I don't think everybody knows about it as best as they possibly could. And if they did, I feel like they would do a lot more with it. What's an important feature with life insurance policies are the different riders that you can have. And I think about it, and I'm just going to name a few. You got child riders, ways that your child has coverage, um, accidental death rider. That's usually a common one. And you also have other types of benefits that typically come with life insurances. Sometimes you have like the um, accelerated benefit, or if you hear the term living benefit, this really talks about if someone has either a serious illness or injury that would prevent them, or either they're expected to die, or they have a serious illness or injury where they're not able to work, they may be able to take out some of their policy and to be able to use some of it while they're still alive. And you got to think about it. Life insurance is for the living. Yes, there's a death benefit attached to it. It's for the living because it's to take care of the people you leave behind. And it's also for the people who are still living who actually need to access that money for whatever reason. So, look, for the last 5 minutes or so, I just wanted to give a brief overview on why getting life insurance is so very important and the different uses. Hopefully, you'll be able to see this and be able to, we can dialogue, we can ask more questions. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video, and there will be more coming. Thank you. Have a great day.